honestly, this is not looking good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been consolidating at this level of support for over a day now, and it is not looking good. So we need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? Because yes, a big breakout is going to be imminent in the next few hours. So can we once again push up the likes, back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in that short term, it is not looking good at all. We are just consolidating at this level of support, not really seeing a significant bounce, just like we saw over here. We saw a very significant bounce right over here, but right now we are just consolidating at above support, not really getting any kind of a signal of a strength. So yeah, at the first sight, this is definitely not looking good and definitely not what we like to see. So if we are going to be seeing this breakdown, well, in that case, we are definitely going to be having a look into what's lower levels getting reached. But right now, still for the moment, I would still like to say that we are not seeing this breakdown yet. So we should not be overly bearish just yet. Okay, as long as we're going to be holding this level of support, I'm still going to be actually quite bullish, and I still do expect that we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside. Now, if we are going to be seeing this breakdown, with this breakdown confirmation, well, that is going to be the point where I'm going to be flipping bearish, and I'm going to be having a look into these lower levels getting reached. Because yes, if we are going to be seeing this breakdown, I'm going to be having a look into the 62.5k level getting reached, which is going to be this breakdown target from this double top structure. But just like I've said, yeah, right now we are still trading inside of this uptrend. We are still trading inside of this breakout pattern. We could still be seeing this breakout towards the upside, and in that case, I would still definitely consider this to be quite bullish. And if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, I definitely do think we are going to be reaching our upper targets once again. And yeah, this level is going to be the most important level to be breaking above, because that is going to be our most important level of resistance. If we can be breaking above that level, well then definitely we are going to be breaking out extremely bullish. I think that new all-time highs are going to be imminent, and that next parabolic move towards the upside is going to be inevitable. But that is not happening just yet. We still need to be reaching that level first of all, before talking about that scenario. But right now, for that imminent short term, it is just going to be very important to see if this level of support is going to be getting held, or if we are going to be breaking down below. Now, do keep in mind, we are still trading inside of this uptrend. We are still forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and also at the same time, this megaphone pattern. We are still holding major levels of support, so I would definitely still be bullish over here until proven otherwise, until proven that we are indeed going to be seeing this breakdown. So yeah, do keep that in mind. Now, I myself still have my Bitcoin trade open. I still do think that eventually we are going to be headed much higher. Maybe in that short term, we can be faking out a little bit, and we can be seeing a little bit of lower levels getting reached. But ultimately, I do think that we are going to be headed much higher. Now guys, I've actually partnered up with Margex with this insane deal. Margex is giving you this insane opportunity. With that link down below, you can right now get a free $50 on your initial sign up, which is literally insane. You can be claiming $50 on your initial sign up, and on top of that, whenever you deposit $100, you are going to be eligible for another $50. Now also, whenever you use my code down below, well then you can also be getting 20% on top of whatever you are going to be depositing. So if you deposit $1,000, you are going to be getting another $200 completely for free, where you can be trading with over on this exchange. And also, if you're using my code, you can also be getting a free 50% off your trading fees. So yeah, that is absolutely insane. Make sure to be checking it out with that link down below. Margex is pretty much a trading platform where you can be very easily trading with up to 100x leverage. So yeah, make sure to be taking advantage of this current volatility we are getting in the market. And also at this crucial decision point, a very good trade is coming up in my opinion. But anyways, definitely make sure to be claiming these free bonuses with that link down below. Anyways, guys, yes, for Bitcoin, maybe in the short term, it is not looking all that great. Maybe in the short term, it is looking a little bit more bearish. But to be honest, everyone is just getting bearish over here, while the Bitcoin funding rates are still extremely low. And at this point, well, we are trading at a major level of support at this current moment, and ultimately I do think that we are going to be breaking out bullish. Now it might not be from this moment over here, maybe we are going to be going down just a little bit more before eventually breaking towards the upside, but eventually I do think that regardless of what is going to be happening in the short term, we are going to be seeing this break further towards the upside. Now, honestly, I already do think that there is a very big chance that we are going to be reversing from this moment and are going to be seeing this breakout anytime soon. But honestly, yeah, if you are going to be a little bit more bearish for that short term, just keep in mind that eventually we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, in my opinion. So I want to be very careful with being overly bearish at this current moment, because potentially you are just going to be missing out of that massive opportunity, out of that massive move we are going to be inevitably getting. So yeah, anyways, with that being said, in my opinion, in hindsight, that next Bitcoin move is just going to be so obvious, just like it has been for all of these previous moves from Bitcoin. Now, anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.